In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram Reels in your own personal gallery. So what we're going to do is you're going to go to Instagram, you're going to go to search, and you're just going to type in what you want to try and download. I'm going to choose this choice up here at Harry Potter. And then what you're going to want to do is go over to the four options here you see, and I'm going to choose their Reels. And then what you want to do is just try and click one, and when you're on the reel, you can just kind of pause it here just so it doesn't go away. You're going to see this arrow here. It's kind of like a share button almost, so you just want to click that, and then you're going to look at the bottom options, and sometimes it'll say download and sometimes it won't, so it depends on the account because they cannot allow you to save reels, so it really depends on the account that you choose. But you would just hit download, and then you see it downloading there. And then after it, it'll say finish downloading, and then you can kind of back out of here and all that stuff. So you're kind of back at your own homepage, and then go to your photos or your gallery in your iPhone, and then you have it here. So this was the reel that we looked on Instagram and we downloaded it, and now it's on reel. So in a nutshell, that is how you save an Instagram reel to your own personal phone gallery. Make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy videos.